Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily take 100x ProRes through zoom shots on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is open up the camera. Now here we have a couple of options like 0.5, 2, 5, 10, but we want to slide our finger to the left and we will unlock the 100x. Now, if you have a distant subject, then you can basically take a picture of it. So let me quickly take a picture. You guys won't see this because it's at 100x zoom, and I'll show you how that looks. So I took a picture of some of my keys on the keyboard. This is how it looks like. Of course, it is processing the Pro Zoom now, and this is how it looks like. So it looks magnificent. It looks amazing. You can see the letter O right here. Here you can, if I had to guess, that would be basically I or L, but it's probably AI formatted too much. But that's how it looks. Of course, if you're in a more complex situation, the final result will be better. But that's basically how you guys can use 100x ProRes zoom. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.